It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
This is just going to be a look at. When I just do these videos, sometimes you can get a close-up look of the actual items. So I bought a couple of these. I bought 5 of these for the yes, a 5-pack, 6 feet of cables. But I use them to connect computers, and just to have them on the side when I need them. It's better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them. So usually if I see a computer being thrown away or this cable being thrown away with the computer, oh, it came with wire ties. I usually pick them up and take them with me and store them. Recently I was getting a cable for a friend of mine, and I realized I don't have any more cables. I've run out of these cables, and they're just great to have. I'm a computer person. I help people with fixing computers and stuff, and sometimes I just need an extra cable. One of these, let's say it goes bad, gets chewed on, or it breaks, something happens, or you lose it. It's nice to have one of these around. These work well too, as well, on a lot of laptop computers, because of the laptop computers will have an adapter that's very large, since you can't install a power supply in a laptop, or if you did, it would be a PC, not a laptop anymore. And they will have these large power supplies. Now, the power supplies themselves, you could end up, they end up very large, and sometimes they come with these kinds of connections. Sometimes they come with the dual one, the small one, but a lot of times I've had these type of connection. I believe my laptop, my gaming laptop, is that way. So it's just a close-up look, and then so you can see how it is. Let me measure it real quickly. So they are 6 feet, so that's a good thing. So the wire ties themselves are 6 inches. A bunch of them. That's nice. I didn't know it came with these wire ties. Info and link up below. I think they were an okay price on Amazon. I don't know if to make heads or tails of these actual numbers. I'm sure there's someone out there who can. So I'm just showing it. Just in case it's important information that I don't know anything about. All right, so this is a look at, came in a 5-pack. And again, I think it was an okay price. I think, but you check below. Let me just double check. They came out to $19.99 for a 5-pack, which is about $4 each. Just to let you know, it's November of 2025. Okay, I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Please like and subscribe.